do this winter glittery eye makeup look that I feel very inspired of from TikTok and Instagram. I love that today it's like a slay skin day because my skin's finally stopped being so inflamed and I can actually enjoy my skin as it is. It's glowy, it's healthy. I just had a dose of retinol yesterday, so maybe that's what's helped. You guys know me, I always start with my brows first. I don't know if my brows look crazy, guys, but apparently it does, so please let me know. I just do my brows as I normally do it. Nothing really changed, just fill it in the frame, make it natural. I don't really try to do crazy eyes or like carved out brows like 2016 or feathery brows like in 2023. I don't know, somebody said to me that my brows look crazy. A bit harsh. I'm trying a different shape of brows and hopefully I can do more of like those Chinese Douyin makeup look, because right now my brows have really like no style or anything. I just use whatever's best. It doesn't look bad, but I definitely think that I can have another brow shapes that looks more suitable for my face. Brows done. Next up, I'm gonna marinate my skin using this 2 concealer as usual. I don't really use like a skin tint or foundation, so this will do. Luckily my skin is pretty clear, so only a few red dots and my dark circles, so I'm gonna quickly cover these. I don't want to use too much product because my skin still have a few pimples. I would like my skin to breathe. Wow, this Nala Pot concealer is so light and it's just so good. I watched this TikTok yesterday saying how Shape Tape concealer was like the it girl in 2016. That's why I bought it. But in 2023 or 2024, no one's really used Shape Tape anymore. Everybody moves on to like Kosas concealer and NARS and I don't know. I don't really know what's other concealer out there. It's like the it girl this year. I always let my concealer set and dry a little bit before blending it out, but I'm gonna use this little small fluffy brush to blend it in later. Another step for my base, which is with these 2 brushes, I'm gonna use it Hourglass Bronzing Tools. This big brush and a small brush for nose contouring to finish my base, and then we're gonna move on to the most important part, which is the glittery eyes. Come to the most exciting part, which is the eyeshadow. Now, I think you don't really have to complicate it. The only thing you need is a brow shade, either cool or warm, but I would recommend warm, and then also a glitter. So I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. They have a bit of a shimmers and they also have that warm brown that I need. Similar brushes, just getting a very big fluffy brush. I'm gonna dip it in and I'm gonna make sure all of my eyelid is covered with this warm brown. If you don't feel like your brows is warm enough, I would recommend going a little bit with an orange or choose different brows. I also have the Morphe palette, but I really like this AVH one because it's a lot more pigmented, and when I blend, the colors goes a lot further than the Morphe palette. But if you don't feel like it's warm enough, add a bit of orange and just keep blending it. If you don't have any shade that's really toning up the warmth, you can go in with a bronzer also. The same brow shades also get some under your eye as well. I'm also gonna go in but with like a different end of the brush and then put it under my eye. Now, this is the most exciting part. It's when you put on the glitter. This is not to pack on the shimmers and the glitter, but also make sure that it's very, very sheer. There's 2 ways that I'm gonna go about this. I'm gonna really dab the color on slowly, or if you have a liquid eyeshadows, the glittery ones, that will work best, and it's gonna be really low effort for you to put it on. I have to work with what I have. I'm not buying new makeup this year, so let's see if I can pull this. This is so convenient. I can actually zoom in. It's pretty terrifying zooming in, but if you guys can see, I start putting on the shimmers and it's very light. Also, you can see the difference. Shimmers, no shimmers. Shimmers, no shimmers. I'm gonna do this eye. Time to add my eyeliner. I'm also gonna finish the look with my blush. I have a peachy blush, but I'm gonna try and make it a bit more pink. And then also my lippies. Look at these wings. I'm just gonna do a little bit of eye corner, not too much. Oh my god, today I really feel like putting my blush right here and make that bright under eyes look. Same palette, nothing changes, but I'm only gonna focus on the pink. Normally I put my blushes right on the angles of my face where my highlighter should be because that really gives me that lifted look. However, for this winter rosy makeup look, I'm only gonna put my blushes here, right under my eye, making sure that it's like I'm blushing. Doing the same with the other side. Also, I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose. Just a tad of powder today. I'm not really going out, so a little bit will be fine. Not on my nose, just where under my eyes is. Again, for my lippies, for something that is really pouty and blurring at the same time, something like a Korean lippies, Roman like this one will be perfect. I cannot wait to try more of the Roman lip color. I already used this lip oil, the Clarins Lip Oils number 01 to have no color on top of my tint. Can we just appreciate the gloss? I already love the tinted color lip oils, but this little baby here, you're coming with me. You're gonna be in the bag with me. The last step of the routine, I'm gonna put my baby lashes on. These are my baby from Saintie's Beauty lashes. I will leave the link somewhere, and then if you guys can please check it out if you want similar lash style. Very fluffy and medium length. I would really appreciate it. This is the finished makeup look. What do you guys think? It's pretty glossy and it's pretty shimmery. I kind of really liked it because it's so simple but so powerful. I'm gonna let my hair down. Wow. I hope you guys all enjoyed these videos and this very simple yet very cute makeup look. I think that if you just have a shimmers or glitter, you can already do this without buying new products. I hope you guys enjoy this very simple and easy tutorial. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have done this, and I would love if you guys can please subscribe to my channels. Also, we can connect on TikTok and Instagram. I do a lot of makeup transitions on there. That's it for today. Love ya!